Who doesn't love the light, soft and super fluffy souffle pancake? But it could be a bit challenging to make if you don't get the right recipe. After many trial and error, I finally succeeded with this recipe, and so I would like to share it with you. Let's begin.
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Firstly, sift the flour and baking powder into one medium-sized bowl. Next, separate the eggs and keep the whites into one empty bowl and add the yolks to the flour bowl. Add sweetened condensed milk or fresh milk to the flour and yolk bowl and whisk until just combined. Do not overmix. Next, use a hand mixer to beat the egg whites at medium speed. Gradually add the sugar and beat until hard peak formed. Now transfer 1/3 of the whipped whites into the yolk and mix vigorously, and then add 1/3 of the white and folding gently with a whisk to avoid breaking the air bubbles. That is to run the whisk around the edges of the bowl and lift up in the middle. Now add the remaining egg whites and fold lightly until the mixture is just homogeneous. Do not overmix. Heat the pan on the lowest heat. Grease the base with some butter and then use a paper towel to wipe it off. Start with 1 spoon of the cake batter for each pancake. After the 3rd spoon for the 3rd pancake hit the pan, the first one will dry up slightly on the surface. Add 1 more spoon of the butter on top of each pancake. And cover the lid and steam for exactly 3 minutes. Then open the lid and add 1 more spoon of the butter on top of each cake. Now add 1 tablespoon of water in the empty space of the pan. Cover the lid and fry for another 3 minutes. When the pancakes turn golden brown from the underside, it can be easily flipped over with a spatula. Add some more water into the empty space of the pan and cover. Fry for another 4 minutes until golden brown on the other side as well. Serve this souffle pancake right away with some fruit. Add a cube of butter on top and drizzle sweetened condensed milk or maple syrup over them. It's so soft and light, like eating the cloud, super fluffy with a rich and delicious flavor. I'm sure you will fall in love with it right at first bite. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing food. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!